Hi guys, my name is Duvan. I'm 24 years old and I'm a full-time guide here in South Africa. I've been doing it full-time for just about over a year now, but I've been doing it part-time for about 5-6 years. And how I got started is quite an interesting story actually. I went fishing on an annual trip to Mazeppa Bay and I caught quite a big tiger shark, which for South Africa back then was a really rare species. And it got the attention of a lot of French people, and I ended up writing a magazine, writing an article for a magazine rather, and people started emailing me wanting to do trips with me, and I kept sending them away until one day eventually I decided, you know what, why don't I try it? And I tried it and I loved it, the same way I love fishing. I've been fishing since I've been 4 years old. You can't get me away from the beach. I've spent one day away from the beach and I feel sick. So that's me. If you guys want to check me out, you can check me out on YouTube as Duvan Fish, on Instagram as Duvan Van Breda, or on Facebook as Fishing South Africa with Duvan Van Breda. And this week I was with Khairil Jerung Muhsin and we got stuck into some proper fish. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hi guys, my name is Kai and this is...
Hello guys, I'm Muhsin.
Alright, this week we are fishing in South Africa. The reason we are here today is because we want to catch the bronzies and the raggies. Yeah, man.
Hey.
Yes, we have got lots of them. Yeah, we are really enjoy this trip. Definitely coming back again next year. Yeah,
How many
Muhsin,
species we got? 6.
we have got maybe about 6 species. Yeah.
Yep, that's quite a lot actually.
Yeah, this is my... Sorry?
I don't do this kind of fishing, but once in a while we should try all this.
Yeah, this is my 3rd trip here. And Muhsin, this is
my first time.
First trip, yeah. What have you learned from this trip?
I have learned that you can you need at least an hour plus to land a shark on a surf casting rod.
Okay.
Well, I've not fought a fish for 1 hour before, so yeah, it's pretty endurance. You have to have the endurance and stamina to last throughout that 1 hour.
So do you really enjoy it?
Yes, of course I do.
Want to come back again next year?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yup.
Okay, sure. Right, let's go. It's really good fishing.
Thanks to Duvan for the accommodation and everything. Everything is just nice. The accommodation, the trip, the spots, everything is just nice.